Both cars and motorbikes use turn signal lighting in order to tell other users the direction they're gonna take. However, bicycles don't have such signaling devices.
Wouldn't it be nice to have them? And wouldn't it be even better to control them with your voice? This is VoiceTurn, a device allowing you to turn left or right and enjoy a safer ride. Let's see how I've done it.
VoiceTurn has been developed using Edge Impulse. Edge Impulse allows you to either record your own sound data or to import an existing database. After that, you can train your own neural network and optimize a TensorFlow model based on several parameters. You can even extend your database and retrain your model until you obtain the desired accuracy. Finally, you will be able to export the source code in the form of a library containing your own model, so that you can use TensorFlow LITE running in your Arduino Nano 33 BLE Sense microcontroller. By modifying the code and tinkering a little bit, you can easily attach the LED strips to the Arduino and build the VoiceTurn setup. Let's try it outside.
Right. Now is your time to try it.